Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker's knee. 'Cause tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.
First, we're going to blend the brown into the crease. Now we have a heart chocolate that we're going to eat. And this is truffle. Comment in, people, single people, join the club. We're going to use this wine color from the Profusion palette. This color represents dead flowers, and the shaded crease represents sunken eyes. I'm just being tired of the relationship. These chocolates taste like chemicals. They're from Walmart, but I'm still eating them. This is a pink one. Using a Q-tip to clean up the edges of my eye. Make sure that these lines are sharp. Actually, we're gonna do this like frosty gold color for the eyebrow highlight and for the inner corners. Favorite caramel. I want to take a break with the eyes. This is what that looks like. We're going to shape up the eyebrows now. Is I'm going to add blush, so we're using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's a maroon blush. Just lighting it on my cheeks like that, and then blending it with my finger. I'm going to add black glitter highlight. So I'm going to do the lips. I have red lipstick here, and I'm just going to put on that red lipstick and then use black eyeliner for an ombre effect to look like I just touched Venom. The lips are done, I'm going to focus more on the shading of the eyes. Now that I know how bold the lips are going to be, I have a better feel on what the rest of that eye makeup is going to look like. I am going to do more of an extreme contour here. I'm going to use the Profusion Beauty Book palette here. Right under the blush and highlight. The next step is to add the eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to draw on, like cat eye wings, and then just sort of accentuate the inner corners, make sure it's as thin as possible in the inner corner so it's not overwhelming. I'm going to line the rest of the eyes with the black eyeliner after it's cleaned. Okay, the next step is to draw like golden tear streaks, which reminds me of like just golden tears that you cry to the Lord about, you know, your circumstance and having a Valentine. I'm going to put a serum onto my brush so it's like a gel-like consistency. It's like a face serum, and then I'm going to work it into the brush and then put that gold highlight that I put under my brow and in the inner tear duct, kind of create streaks. Just a subtle touch that you can barely see. I'm going to refine the lines off camera. Put some of this powder that I initially put on after putting on the foundation. I put it on the areas where I didn't put any makeup work onto. So I put it around my mouth just to kind of seal the lipstick so it wouldn't bleed. Just creating a border essentially. And then on my forehead, my nose, around my blush, and under my contour under my chin, and then I'm going to reapply the chin contour afterwards. But this is to just polish off and really allow the colors to stand out on my face and make it look more polished and airbrushed. I'm going to show you the final result. Here's the final look.
Thank you so much, my loves, for watching this video. I appreciate your patience. The next one is coming soon. I would love for you to look at my series. This is only one part of 4. There's Hopeless Valentine, Blue Valentine, and Divine Valentine. Check out my reels and my shorts, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.